southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Clay County in northern Texas until 11:30 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a broad area of thunderstorms producing heavy in the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Duncan, Marlow, Henrietta, Walters, Waurika, Elgin, Comanche, Rush Springs, Bray, Fletcher, Still, Ringling, Temple, Land, Sterling, Petrolia, Velma, Alex, Cement and Pines. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.